What's up guys, and hopefully everyone is doing well. JOMAC here and welcome back to my channel. So nagkasakit ako for the past month. I was off diet for about 4 weeks. So ito talaga yung time na kain lamon ako kasi nagpapagaling ako eh. But at the same time, bumigat din ako for about 8 pounds. And although bumalik na ako dun sa diet ko as fast as I can, siyempre hindi naman instant yung effects ng gym, and for quite some time, maybe for the next few weeks, talagang you feel overweight. Pakatulad ko rin kayo mga tol, yung mga nag-click dito sa video na to. Or ba in general, gusto mo lang iwasan na maging magmukha kang parang chubby or mataba. So huwag kang mag-alala because for this episode, ibibigay ko sa inyo yung 8 clothing items that you need to avoid para hindi ka magmukhang mataba. So let's check out the video. The first item on the list natin guys is any piece ng clothing na merong either circular or very loud and big pattern. Kasi guys, ganito yan. Pagka medyo overweight ka or medyo on the chubby side, ang kailangan pananamit mo is minimalist para yung attention or yung focus ng mata is nawawala dun sa mismong katawan mo. Pinapataas on your face or your extremities, and especially not sa midsection. Kaya naman by wearing these loud patterns on t-shirts or polos, lalo ka talagang kakapal tignan kasi yung focus ng mga nakakakita is nandun sa katawan. Pwede nyong suotin instead is anything na may finer patterns and also plain colors. This way, pag may nakakita sa inyo, is more of parang monochromatic or straight line yung nakikita nila. Close follow-up for number 1 is number 2, anything na circular for your eyewear. So, wearing circular patterns or frames on your eyewear, ang mangyayari na, i-highlight nyo na yung bilog mong pisngi and yung bilog mong mukha. So, ang recommended ko na gawin nyo guys is you can change your eyewear for something na more angular and sharp yung mga edges para makompensate yung curvature ng face nyo. Item number 3 guys, any garments na tinatak in. So, this will come as a surprise kasi alam naman natin pag nag-tuck-in tayo ng damit natin, medyo naiipit, di ba? Tapos parang lumalabas lalo yung bilbil and lalong na-highlight. Ang recommended ko na gawin nyo is either you tuck that out or kung kailangan mo talaga mag-tuck-in, either cover it up with another blazer or Americana. But in general guys, huwag kayo mag-tuck-in kasi yung emphasis lalong mapupunta sa bilbil. Item number 4, alam ko maraming guilty dito, high contrast clothing. Ang ibig ko sabihin dito guys is yung parang drastic na changes ng color. For example, a black jeans paired with white or any light colored na t-shirt or vice versa. Ang nangyayari kasi dito guys, kadalasan kung saan nagpapalit ng kulay yung suot mo, yun yung pinakamaraming atensyon na nakukuha. And since kadalasan, di ba nagbabago yung kulay sa may bandang waist or area natin sa tiyan, yun yung naha-highlight. Dadagdag ko na rin sa tip na to is yung people na wear yung parang very loud na mga belt. So imagine high contrast clothing, tapos nakatuck-in ka pa, tapos maglalagay ka ng belt na sobrang takaw sa pansin. Instead na nako-compensate yung frame mo na nagiging parang straight line lang, nagkakaroon ng mga maraming highlights na hindi naman dapat. Not saying na mag all black ka all the time, but personally, I love black. Pero more of parang ilapit mo lang yung mga kulay ng mga garments na susuot mo if you're trying to slim down. So, ganun lang kadali, and I'm sure you will look a lot better. Item number 5, guys, are your chunky shoes or yung mga dad shoes or shoes na nauso ng 90s. I know, andyan na yung trend na bumabalik sila. But the truth is, guys, for us na medyo parang on the overweight side or on the chubby side, para kasing lalong lumalaki or nagiging bulky yung appearance natin whenever we wear yung mga chunky shoes. Don't worry kasi ang dami namang other options dyan. If gusto mo ng komportable, andyan naman yung mga Onitsuka, your Ultra Boost, your Flyknit Racers, and an all-time favorite ko are actually the white sneakers that are not only very comfortable isuot but also so much fashionable and sometimes cheaper as well. So for the time being muna, habang you're trying to slim down and work on your diet and exercise, opt for the minimalist style ng mga shoes and you're good to go. Baligtaran naman to ng number 6, which is wearing slim accessories. So guys, pagka medyo on the chubby side tapos malaki yung forearm, iwasan nyo yung magsuot kayo ng mga parang mga small beaded na mga bracelets, mga maliliit na mga watch na mga classic size. Kasi not only it will make your wrist na parang pang babae, pero mas lalo niyang ini-emphasize yung pagiging malaki ng kamay mo or mataba ng kamay mo. What you can do instead is opt for a bigger accessory or you group together smaller accessories like siguro mga 3 bracelet para mas kumapal siya tignan. And also use a watch na medyo mas malaki ng konti yung size o yung diameter na tinatawag. Since this is not only just fashionable pero will also streamline and magmumukhang mas payat yung kamay natin. Number 7 are garments with light colors. Actually, dun sa mga medyo payat, recommend ko talaga na wear something that is thicker yung fabric and light colored. Pero for men that are trying to look na medyo mas payat or slimmer, stay away from light colors. Not only ine-emphasize niya yung parang ang laki tignan, also andito na natin na-experience yung mga nagbabakat yung mga man boobs, nakikita na yung pusod. And trust me guys, girls, they find this very, very unsightly. Kumbaga parang hindi maganda tignan talaga. So for this one naman, you should stick in the meantime on your blacks, your neutrals, your grays, your browns, your maroons, your navy blues, even the dark greens or the violets. Sa madaling salita, hindi ka mauubusan ng kulay na masusuot, but stay away from light colored. And finally, number 8, yung crew neck or mga round neck na items. Kasi nangyayari dito guys, pag nagsusot kayo ng round neck, kumbaga na-emphasize yung leeg na lalong lumiliit tignan. Umiig si tignan, so nakikita ka agad or yung na-highlight, either yung double chin dito, or yung panga na non-existent. Ang recommended ko is you wear something na V-neck, yung parang triangular yung pattern pababa. Like for example, yung sinusuot ko ngayon which is V-neck na pinapahaba niya yung leeg ko tignan. Tinatanggal niya yung attention dito sa fat, banda dito ng face or ng chin. Tapos yung jawline. So kung medyo overweight or on the chubby side tayo, mawawala yung attention banda dito. And mapupunta pababa ng konti. And guys, since na-appreciate ko talaga for watching this video till the end, here's a bonus tip. Para mas maging payat tayo lalo tignan, you can use one, yung gupit mo, by having a high volume of hair. Mas makapal tignan. And pangalawa, if you have a facial hair of some sort, pwede mo siyang i-trim na maging mas angular. Para kahit parang pabilog yung jawline mo, pwede mong gawin parang may patusok or may edge ng konti to compensate. So again guys, yun yung 8 clothing items that you need to avoid in the meantime that you're trying to lose weight. But eventually, pag na-hit mo na yung goal mo na weight or nag-improve na yung facial structure mo, of course, you can always go back dun sa mga garments na iniwasan mo for the meantime. But by doing these things, sure ka pa rin na you will still remain stylish. So again guys, you know the drill. If you like this video, isang malupit na thumbs up and subscribe down below for more content. Pwede mo rin i-check yung other playlists ko for similar contents like this one. And for all of you guys na nagko-comment on the videos, you really motivate and I read each and every comment that you have. I also reply kung meron kayong mga clarifications or questions or anything that you want to share. But in any case guys, that's it for this video. Again, JOMAC here for your tech, fitness, and style guide. Have a great day ahead and peace out.
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6